Watch this video and learn how to draw a bright light bulb. Later in the show, Artie has one of his dance breaks. And watch to the end to hear some of Louie's poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, gang, it's Artie's show!
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, Artie's sleeping, little artist. Should we wake him up? Artie! Artie!
What? Artie was taking a little nap.
Are you awake?
Yeah, I'm awake now. Thank you.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone! What a carrot-tastic day it is! I'm so happy you are all here.
What are we going to draw, Artie?
I don't really know what I want to draw.
Do you want me to think of something?
Yes, please.
You know light bulbs?
Yeah?
Why don't we draw one?
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Okay.
Let's start by drawing the main shape of our light bulb. Think of it as a sort of balloon shape, like a balloon you might see at a birthday party. That's right, Artie. Take your time. Artie, do you remember that time at Bunny Fluffington's birthday when a balloon popped and you got all scared?
No. No.
I think you did. Now let's draw the bottom part of the light bulb, a straight line with half a circle on either side, and another straight line across the bottom.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing!
Now let's draw another half circle on the left and the right, and another straight line. And guess what? Let's do another half circle, left and right, and a straight line across.
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Did you know that your hair is the color of a carrot?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye!
Bye, Bunny. Okay, Artie, let's draw one more row of half circles connected with a straight line. That's it. Perfect. Now let's add a big half circle at the bottom. It's looking good already.
I've had an idea.
Are you going to tidy your toys away?
No.
Oh, that's a shame.
Artie wants a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah, let's go do dance break. Dance break.
Dance, Artie, dance.
Very deserving of a 10, of course.
Yay! That was a really fun dance break.
You must be exhausted.
Yeah, Artie tired. Ooh. Phew.
Should we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Now we're going to draw the wire part inside the glass light bulb. Do you know what it's called, Artie?
No.
It's called a filament. Keep watching, because coming up, it's Louie's Poetry Corner. Now let's draw some rays of light coming out of the light bulb. Draw long, sort of teardrop shapes.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Add another one, Artie. That's it. Very good.
Wearing those kind of shoes? I mean, darling. Oh, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely poem about brushing your teeth. Okay, here we go. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Make them clean and bright. Morning, evening, every day. Keep them healthy white. Up and down and all around. Don't forget each spot. Front and back and in between. Give it all you've got. When you're done, give a grin. Your teeth will gleam, you'll see. Healthy teeth and happy smiles. That's the way to be. My gnashes are rather nice, aren't they?
Thank you, Louie. That reminds me, I must brush my teeth. Okay, Artie, maybe 1 or 2 more rays of light. Very good. One more on the left, perhaps? Oh, yes. Now, what else does this need?
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that drawing is so smooth, it makes me want to jazz it up a little. Jubba-da-boo, boo-boo-boo-ba-da-boo. Yeah, okay.
Oh, Barry, you've started all the neighbourhood dogs barking again. Oh, you're adding another ray of light, Artie. Oh, and one on the right. Well, you know, I think this might be finished. What do you think, Artie? Is it finished?
I'm finished.
It looks great, but what now?
How about some colour?
Some colour? Okay.
Okay, colouring time.
Color it in. Color it in.
Finished. All done.
Oh, it's really nice, Artie.
Oh, yeah, it looks really nice. I love all the colours.
Very orange.
Yeah.
Are you pleased?
Oh, I'm very proud. Thank you.
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Artie hopes you have an Artie day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.